LPD. Don't unconsciously suppress your initial cough when choking on water in public situations. I've often caught myself unconsciously suppressing my initial cough, especially in public settings like the office when I choke on something like tea. It's a reflex I didn't even realize I had, aiming to avoid drawing attention, but holding back that first cough allows the liquid to further irritate your airways or go deeper into your lungs' branching structure. This can lead to a much more intense and disruptive coughing fit a few moments later. It turns out, a single, immediate cough is much more manageable than a prolonged, uncomfortable episode. A moment of coughing is definitely better than a lingering, more severe coughing crisis.